In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an Excel file via Gmail, whether you need to share your spreadsheet with a colleague, friend, or send it to yourself for safekeeping. This process is straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive in and get started with step-by-step instructions to ensure success. First, you'll need to access the internet and open up your preferred web browser. Once you're on, the first step is to prepare your Excel file. Make sure that it's saved on your computer and ready to be attached. If you're in Excel right now, simply head to the File tab and select Save As to save it in a location that you can easily find, like your desktop or a specific folder for convenience. Ensure the file name is clear and recognizable to avoid any confusion later on. Now, let's move on to Gmail. Open your web browser and navigate to Gmail's homepage. If you're not already logged in, enter your login credentials and sign in to your account. Once you're in, you'll find the Compose button located on the upper left side of the screen. Click on it to open a new email draft. This area is where you'll type out your email and attach the Excel file. In the To field, input the email address of the person you want to send the file to. You can also add a subject line to give context to your recipient about the email's content. Something simple like, "Spreadsheet attached works great." Next, let's attach the file. Look for the paperclip icon at the bottom of the email draft window, which is the universal symbol for file attachment. Clicking on this icon will open your computer's File Explorer, allowing you to browse through your files. Navigate to where you saved your Excel file, select it, and click Open or Choose to attach it to the email. Give it a moment to upload. You'll see a small icon of the file at the bottom of the email once it's successfully attached. Before hitting send, you might want to add a short message in the body of your email. Including a friendly message with details about the file ensures clarity and is a great professional touch. If everything looks good, find the Send button, typically located at the bottom of the draft window. Once you click Send, your Excel file is on its way. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to send an Excel file via Gmail. By following these instructions, you'll be able to share spreadsheets smoothly and efficiently. Remember, the process is nearly universal for all types of files, so feel free to use these steps as a guide whenever you need to attach and send documents through email. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful guides.